tongue tied, but I'm not finished. 'Cause you're not